too. How are you? Mary Ellen here with the Hiberno English word of the day. Now, we're still on L, and again, I just think this L is so appropriate for this time of the day. It's dark outside, really early now, and I bet you there's many of you people out there who feel inclined to take to your LABah. LABah is the Hiberno English word of the day, and to take to your LABah means to go to bed. LABah is the word for bed. Now this one does actually come from the Irish language. The Gaeilge word for bed is LABah, but it's very, very widespread. Again, used growing up with my mum and dad. Go on up to your LABah. She'll go up to your LABah and then I'll come and say goodnight to you. Well, she's still up in the LABah. Or your father hasn't gotten out of the LABah all day. She took to the LABah and never recovered. That's a big one you'd hear, or somebody was really, really unwell, and that's how you'd use it. Let me know if you know it. Gra more.